So I chose to do a Clone Trooper helmet, specifically a Clone Commando helmet, as my first major 3D printing endeavor. Mainly because I just thought it was really cool, and it was the main thing that made me want to do 3D printing. I basically started doing 3D printing so I could get a cool helmet and paint it. So both of the large helmets that I have printed are not of my own design. Most of the things I print, I don't design. I find them online, things that you can download for free on a variety of websites. I download them and cut them up into smaller pieces so I can print them on my printer and assemble them and paint them later like you would a model kit, really. The majority of the assembly process is essentially welding the different pieces of the helmet together. This time I actually went ahead and purchased a 3D printing pen, which does the exact same thing as the 3D printer head on the printer. It's just you actually hold it and control it yourself, and I'll be using that to weld the pieces together. At heart, I'm really more of a model builder than anything else, which is why I like to make a lot of segmented things to assemble and paint them. Really, my most immediate next projects are a lightsaber prop that's about halfway finished that I need to go ahead and finish up. Some more general purpose 3D printing things I need to design and print. My main piece of advice for people who want to do this kind of thing is, while it may seem scary at first, it's definitely doable, definitely a lot cheaper than having somebody else do it for you. Largely be careful, make sure your machine is all calibrated properly. Definitely start with printing models from other people, not your own, because designing stuff can be difficult, but if you use the right software, making something like a cube or a basic shape is pretty simple, and start simple would be another piece of good advice.